Hello everyone, thank you for watching Where I Live. I just want to put a little disclaimer video here. I filmed this the end of last summer and I was doing the Hemlock Falls video, and on the way back I just made an impromptu stop at Colliding Rivers in Glide, Oregon. It's so beautiful there. The water was low at the end of summer. I don't have a lot of footage and it's a bit choppy, but I just wanted to include it because it's just spectacular. And so after that, the Hemlock Falls video will start. So with that said, thanks for watching and let's go to the river. Made a quick stop here, a place up in Glide, Oregon called Colliding Rivers. And this is where the Little River and the North Umpqua River run into each other. A lot of this is lava rocks, but you can see the textures of everything on the rock. You know, the water's kind of worn it over the years. It's really cool. I've never been up here, and this is right up the road from where I live. Beautiful day. There's a little bit of smoke in the air still. Not too bad. Should be a beautiful day. Looking forward to seeing these waterfalls. Alright, well here we are. Come up to Hemlock Lake. Nice little lake here. At one point this was drained and used for horse pasture. At some point in time, they dammed it off and stream filled it back in and created the present lake. Beautiful. And it's not burnt.
taught us how when trees fall and they rot and dry out, how other things grow off of those trees. And so we've got, it looks like more tree sprouts. We've got ferns down there, and it's just really, really neat how life finds a way. It just continues. Look at this gnarly root. That's part of the root knot of this tree. Let's clear up over here. It's a huge tree. Very cool.
Well, I did it. I'm done. Half a mile downhill in, half a mile uphill out. And for a guy that eats too much ice cream, I don't think I want to do that again. Teddy Blumenthal, Hemlock Falls, Umpqua National Forest, Southern Oregon. It's where I live.